Alright, so this is an 87 to 91 Ford full-size truck heater core replacement. Older and newer, it's kind of sort of the same principle, but I don't know how much of it is actually the same, so this video probably won't apply. First step, come in here, glove box. This holds it on this side, just a little pin you have to pop out from this side, and then on this side there's a this just catches right in, and then of course just pull it off the hinges. Then back in here you see this big hollow spot. There's a bunch of these little bolt screws, 8mm, all the way around it. Covers right here. Pull that off. I think it goes like this. There's not much room to work with here. I think your heater core is right there. It just sits in here like this. Here's a good one. Just sits in there like that. Then get the old one out. Come over here. Long story why this is like this. These two lines right there. You see these two hoses pop out through those two holes. Just pull the lines off. Sometimes you have to stick a pair of channel locks on it. Kind of turn it, break it loose. Pull the lines off. Pull this out of the dash. Pop your new one in. Put it all back together. That's it. Pretty easy. Pretty simple. Not too bad. So, anyways, you can see this one. It looks like it was leaking from here. Of course, the back side of it looks pretty beat up. So, I just had to take the truck over to the neighbor's side to hook this up so it wouldn't pull coolant everywhere, even though technically it already was. So anyways, pretty simple. Talk to you later. Bye. Another thing I forgot to mention, and yes, I know this truck's a mess. It seems like the best way for them to go in and out is up through here. I didn't spend a lot of time doing it, but that seemed to be the fastest way to get it out. So, just stick it up through here. Hard to do this with one hand. But anyways, you people get the idea. Sticks up in there like that.